This is the smallest camper I've ever seen on our lot. This is a 2024 Wolf Pup Black Label 14cc. She weighs in under 3,500 pounds and is under 20 feet long. We got another pet-friendly setup here. We got an outdoor shower on this side, and then we got a leash latch over on this side capable of holding up to 1,500 pounds. This is underneath your awning next to your outdoor speakers and a spot to mount your TV. Spare toyer right here. As you can see, these are mud toyers. Let's get on inside. Wowie zowie. Imagine the adventures you could have in this thing. At the very front, we have this nice queen bed, some reading lights here, USB ports for charging up, and then we got this nightstand shelf behind your bed. Underneath here, if we lift this bed up, you see we got access to your pass-through storage. Personally, I think I'd put this mattress underneath and I'd sleep in the pass-through. There's just so much more privacy down here. Our little kitchen area over here is equipped with a 2-burner gas stove, microwave, and an undermount sink. We also got a little hand sanitizing soap pump station. Pretty big fridge here relative to the size of the camper. This sucker is 10 cubic feet. Travel locks are built in. The toilet and shower are separated in this camper in either of these rooms, so people can use each of them independently. We have a small tub in here, great for washing the dogs, full body blast. And then across on the other side, we got our foot flush toilet. And plenty of space in here, plenty of leg room. Up here on the ceiling, we have our AC unit. You see, we also have these speakers. These are connected to this sound system. This will also connect to the ones outside. Here's your control panel for your awning, lights, tank, heater. You can mount a TV right up here that's above your booth dinette, which you can convert into sleeping. Boom, now you got a twin bed here, perfect for a guest, a child, or maybe some dogs. If you got any questions on this sucker, don't hesitate to give me a call. The phone number is in the bio.